You don't get no better than bumbuck like this. Jamaica. Yeah. Talk all no one talk. I don't talk to fight to Jamaica. I don't got no blood clot where else in the world. But yeah. Real authentic steam fish we are talking about. Only at Aunt May Freestyle. Here you have it. Some steam snapper fish with your okra, your pumpkin, your yam, your everything. Over here we have some. You know, on the beach there is nothing like an ice cold red stripe beer. Nothing like an ice cold red stripe beer on the beach.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hooray Freestyle Adventures! What am I saying? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
So you know if you want the real steam fish, the real fry fish, the real roast fish, the place to be is Helshire Beach in St. Catherine. Now we're at Aunt May fish place, so I'm gonna go inside and see what Aunt May have to offer. Freestyle. Yeah. Fresh from the sea. Fresh from the sea, right?
Yeah.
Fresh to catch. Alright. You know the vibes. Bro, this is how we do it. Fish is well seasoned with your pumpkin, your Irish, your okra and the whole vibes, yam, and it's cooking down, so just stay tuned guys for the finishing product. Over here is the pot that they fry the fish, as you can see that, and these are some fish about to go in the pot. At Helshire Beach, best in steam fish, roast fish, fry fish, Aunt May, sorry. So stay tuned guys for the finishing product, freestyle. You know, on the beach there is nothing like an ice cold red stripe beer. Nothing like an ice cold red stripe beer on the beach. Oh yeah. You know the vibe. Freestyle, remember to do the right thing. Like, share and comment. If you haven't hit subscribers yet, hit the subscription button. Join the movement. Helshire Beach Freestyle. Only at Aunt May Freestyle. Here you have it. Some steam snapper fish with your okra, your pumpkin, your yam, your everything. Over here we have some fry fish with some festival. Helshire Beach sauce over here. Red stripe beer. Red stripe like Guinness. General, what you say?
Up and running, man. Ready for it.
Up to the time. Only at Helshire Beach, guys. It doesn't get any better than this. Real way, real authentic food. This is why I love Jamaica, because you're not going nowhere else in the world and get them kind of food. The real authentic food we are telling about. Look at that. Then look at this. Look at that. Freestyle. Now, less talking. It's time to get on down. No, why for the dog?
Why for the dog?
Why for the dog? Time to eat, you know what I mean? Freestyle. Gary, what you say?
Up and running.
Cool no man. Up to the time. Down to the minutes. No better than bumbuck like this. Jamaica. Yeah. Talk all no one talk. I don't talk to fight to Jamaica. I don't got no blood clot where else in the world. But yeah. Real authentic steam fish we are telling about. Look at that. Well detailed. Nice presentation. It doesn't get any better than that freestyle. Look at that. Freestyle. Remember, like, share and comment. If you haven't subscribers yet, hit the subscription button. Join the movement. Now, less talking. It's time to do the right thing. Time to eat.
Why? Consume.
Time to consume. Yo, you see them man here? From school days, bro. From first grade,
Long time.
nothing ever changed, bro.
I know to that thing.
Cool no man.
Way back then. Until now.
Alright, never changed,
Man,
bro.
yeah, they are neat.
From school days, from first grade.
Yup.
From first grade, nothing ever changed, my brother. Nice scenery. Oh, good. You bring more. Good. It has to be lad.
Up and running, man.
Cool, no, man. You know the vibes. I'm gonna tell you this right now. Scotch bonnet pepper, it stands out so much. The flavor of the Scotch bonnet pepper is just half the hook. But look, I must tell you this. Scotch bonnet pepper in America and Scotch bonnet pepper in Jamaica, two different peppers. They don't size up and feel like they're the same pepper. When you come to Jamaica, you get the real Scotch bonnet pepper, the real spice plus flavor. Doesn't get any better than this. Look at this. Where else in the world can you go and you get a nice steamed fish with your okra, your yam, everything steamed down together? So don't tell me nothing like Jamaica. If you haven't flied to Jamaica for a while, it's time for you to book a trip. Stop watching the news, stop getting brainwashed. Jamaica is still keeping and Jamaica is nice. Book your flight, book your hotel and come spend some money at Jamaica. Some of y'all live in America, live in England, Canada for years. You don't have visa, can't fly, and don't fly. You sell out in the country. Get with it, book on a flight, book on a hotel, support in a country. Freestyle.
I love Jamaica, I'm sorry.
So these festivals are the best. You just go like this, you dip it in the sauce. Wow. Only in Jamaica. Only at Aunt May, Helshire Beach, St. Catherine. You can get any better than this freestyle. Made authentic way. This is it. I mean, like, you could taste the seasoning, the scallion, the thyme, the Scotch bonnet pepper stand out so much. The pumpkin, the yam, the Irish, whatever they put in it, and it's just a wall of fire going on in this plate. I'm gonna say it again, it doesn't get any better than this. Yo, man, tell her,
I
man.
want to talk about my hard life. I'm just let them know.
Be a hard life for the hard life, brother.
My hard life, I love it today.
So,
Alright,
the fry fish. Yo, see the man that come in, me down. You don't long me, I look for you. Yeah, freestyle. So this is the trick to the. Nah, man, him can't do that. Yeah, freestyle. So this is the trick to the fried fish, the escovitch sauce, right here. You got some your sprinkle it on your fish, and trust me, it's a whole vibe going on right here. Yeah, well, the ice has man there. If you know, you know. Ice has. Ice has man. Come in now. Right go.
Stick them up.
Alright, what I know. For next one. Get the sauce. Alright. You see this? This is how we do it.
Yeah, that one is double up.
Ice has man coming sauce. get the sausage and something like this. You see them thing, you know? If you don't have a girl, don't trouble it. And if you have a girl, you have a breeder. Alright, so I'm coming again. Yo, Bin, what you do? What you do? What you do while I go with the oysters? Where the oysters are?
Swallow.
Yo. Yeah, bro, go try one, Gary. I want to see you, man.
Just one.
Alright. Alright, so Gary, yeah, where are the Gary? You just go and suck it and swallow.
No. Why?
Alright, come in. Come in. The boss are trying ice us for the first time, you know. Remember, you know, you suck and swallow. You suck and swallow.
Just eat and swallow.
Yeah.
And bite and swallow.
Swallow.
Swallow. Nice. 2 more for the general.
Alright, that's one.
Bro, come on, man. Yo, ice sauce is good, bro.
The juice is good though.
Yeah, the sauce on it is good.
Yeah.
When you blend the ice with the onion and things, Master mash up a big lobster over here, sir. She's right.
Good at that.
Right.
Call sale, please. I think you'll stay up on that side, I guess.
This is how you know food is good, freestyle. Look at that. It was a storm around here. All empty plates, some bones. Yeah, but then what you say, the food shut down every time. You wanna remember. And like the video, share the video. If you not subscribe yet, bing! Now freestyle. If you know Helshire Beach, right? If you know Helshire Beach, you know these places are places that you normally go. Like walk on the bridge, around the beach. Now the sea has taken back its course, and as you can see, it's all water you're seeing right here. No sun, and it's kind of scary somewhat. Because yo, as a kid growing up, right, I could walk right around Helshire Beach. If you know Helshire, you know. All these places used to be sand. You know what I mean? We used to play soccer on the sand. We used to race on the sand and stuff like that. So it's a big difference. So as you can see, freestyle, look at activities is going on the beach, not much. And I said before, it's not the same it used to be at Helshire Beach. You know what I mean? Normally the beach used to be crowded, music playing, a lot of vibes, but I don't know what happened, but things has changed so much. Guys, remember to like, share and comment if you haven't yet subscribed as yet. Do the right thing, hit the subscription button and join the movement. Helshire Beach still catching. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, but not the vibe it's supposed to be as it normally be. But we're still outside and we still get some footage. So just stay tuned guys on the right thing. Freestyle. It was a vibe on the beach, the food is good. Now it's all about a cool restaurant here, overlooking the ocean. And this. Jamaica land we love. I don't care what you want to say, but nothing to me like my Jamaica, guys. Guys, as I keep on emphasizing in the video, if you're watching this video, I am on my way to 2K subs, so I appreciate all the support I can get. So just hit the subscription button and join the movement. Be a part of the freestyle family. I'll zoom up these house and see what I can get. Here we go. Houses are massive, yo.